How to turn off auto Wi-Fi on iPhone. This will work the same on any iOS device, so this will also work on your iPad too. So the first thing you're going to want to do on your iOS device is go to the settings menu. So on the home page here, just go ahead and click on settings. Once you're in there, the first thing you can do is click on Wi-Fi. It should be towards the top. Then you want to click on the Wi-Fi that you do not want to connect to anymore. So I'm going to do the BT Wi-Fi there, click on that. And there will be an auto join button. If it's green, you want to tap it, turn it black, that will turn it off. And also you want to click on forget this network, because then if you click forget now as well, then that shouldn't be auto connecting anymore. That should turn it off. One of them is good enough, but if you do both, then it's a bit better. And also you can just click the Wi-Fi off just like that, then it will turn off. And as well, if you do the same thing for all the other Wi-Fis too, then they won't automatically connect to any of them. So that's how it's done. If it helped, leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos.